Let's take a quick look at how to rotate text in Google Sheets. So this is normal right here. So this is when you haven't done anything. Looks just like this. Now, if you go to tilt up, this is what it looks like. And I added borders here so you can kind of see what it does to the surrounding cells. And so let's tilt this one up as well, and you can see what happens there. And then tilt down in this row. And so if we go over here and check, that's the tilt down. And this is how it looks with that background. So let's go ahead and tilt this one down as well and see what happens there. And then this is stacking vertically. So you can see the first letter is at the top. And so if we change this back to normal, you see that's what it looks like normal. And then we stack it vertically. It stacks each letter on top of each other. So we can do the same thing here. Stack these vertically. And this looks super funky because it wrapped. So we'd have to like pull all the way down to make it not look funky. So it doesn't work really well if you got it wrapped. But so let's go ahead and put that back to there. And then this is rotate up. And so after the stack vertically, we have rotate up and then rotate down is the next. So this is rotate up. So you can see starts down here at the bottom and then goes up. And then here's the inverse of rotate down. Then finally, they have a custom one. So I'm going to select all these. And if you go over here to the degrees, so you can set a custom one, or you can select one of their presets anywhere between -90. And so if you look, there's -90. So it's that rotate down all the way through 90, which is rotate up. And so you can select one of these. So 45, this is going to be like that tilt down. Or you can go for one that's not available. So for example, 30, or you can go to 15, or you can even type one in. So it just has to be within that range and you can see it just like that. So let's go ahead and set that back to 0 for the moment. All right, and finally, let's take a quick look at how it looks when we do vertical alignment on these. So right now they're all centered. If we go to top, you can see those go to the top of the cell as you expect. Those as well, and those. This one didn't really do anything. Let's see if it changes if we make that taller. Yep, there we go. And then those are the top, those are the top, and those are the top. So that's all as we would expect. We go to the bottom. Again, we can see how that worked. And we can go to the middle, and then left, just like that. And then we can go to the right, or we can center. So you can use a combo of how you set the text and where you put it in the cell to come up with some cool effects. So that's it for today. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. As always, have a great day.